2. Breaking news now, and you see the rain behind us. Thousands across the tri-state waking up without power after high winds take down trees and power lines.
Yeah, there's a lot going on overnight. We want to bring in WCPO 9 News reporter Madeline Ottley in our live drive over in Alexandria. You've seen a lot of the traffic lights out there on Alexandria Pike this morning.
Yeah, I'm going to show you that in just a second, but first we just pulled off Alexandria Pike. I want to give you a look at this. We are in a parking lot, a big shopping center here. You've been looking at a Walmart. It's hard to tell. The only light you are seeing here right now is actually directly from our headlights. There is no light in this shopping center whatsoever. We're making the turn now, getting you back out to the Pike, and you'll notice this traffic light is out. We're seeing cars just kind of doing their own thing here. Everyone just trying to manage this to stay safe out in the roads. Duke Energy reporting more than 1,000 customers without power in some scattered outages throughout Alexandria and Camp Springs. You can see it's kind of risky out here on the roads. The only light you are seeing now in this shot is directly from car headlights. I do want to show you the larger Duke outage map because this is far from the only outage that we've been tracking overnight. The good news is it looks like Duke Energy is working on some of these because just about 30 minutes ago we had 12,000 customers in Ohio and Kentucky in our region without power. Now we're down to about 9,000 customers being impacted, more than 1,000 over in Indiana in our region. Another big spot for outages, you heard Cena talk about it, is over in Oakley. More than 1,000 customers there being impacted. A few hundred being impacted in Bromley and Covington, nearly 1,000 over in Mulberry. I do want to make sure that you are just careful again, especially as you approach some of these side roads, because what we've seen throughout the morning is debris, trees, some power lines that might be getting in your way. And I mean, you can see it out our window. It is really, really dark outside. We're going to keep driving around here, bringing you all the latest and keep tracking these outages in real time. For now, live in Alexandria, Madeline Ottley, WCPO 9 News.